Let's also get you the latest on the political face-off over this issue. The Congress launching yet another attack on the Modi government over the India-China standoff. But this time over, it's the India-China trade ties that the Congress is focusing on. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi shared a graph on Twitter which compared Chinese goods imported during NDA regime and the erstwhile UPA regime. Rahul accused BJP of hiking imports from China in the graph and of promoting the Made in India initiative. Now, Rahul's remark comes in the backdrop of Prime Minister Modi's bid to promote Atmanirbhar Bharat and push Make in India. Prime Minister Modi has been urging citizens to buy only local products. China has the largest share, however, in India's imports, followed by the United States and the oil-producing countries of the UAE and Saudi Arabia. Anand Patel is joining us with more details on this. Anand, Rahul Gandhi's tweet there also timed to the decision from the government on banning Chinese apps, and this will be seen in a way as a reaction to the government's decision.
Well, yes, so far what we've seen from the Congress party is more of rhetoric, but this time it's the allegations are back. Put out by Rahul Gandhi in his tweet really shows that
Anand, we'll reconnect with you. We're having a bit of a problem there with your connection. We'll reconnect with you to get more details really on what the Congress's strategy is. They've been raising this issue time and again. Rahul Gandhi now has tweeted with regards to Chinese imports, saying while the government speaks about Make in India and Made in India, they continue to buy from China. So we'll continue getting you all the latest details on that story and also the latest reactions to Rahul Gandhi's tweet there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.